Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you have not yet, please hit the subscribe button. And today I will be showing you all how I make my roasted chicken. So right here I took some frozen pepper and onion blend and chopped it up because I cannot go without not having bell pepper and onion on my poultry meat. So what I did here is took a chopper and chopped it up, or either you can put this in a blender to blend it all up. This is maybe like a little over a half a cup I chopped up. So I took a bowl, and you can use whatever oil you want. I put a half a cup of grapeseed oil in a bowl. Then I also put a teaspoonful of oregano, and with all these seasonings you can put however little or how much you want with different seasoning. And this is, like, I would say a tablespoon full of Laura seasoning salt. I didn't have that much, that was the end of it. I love to have different colors in my food, so I'm adding 2 packs of Sazon seasoning, or you can use paprika if you want. So after the Sazon seasoning, I'm going to put a tablespoon full of complete seasoning in there. I'm putting a half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. I wish I had some coarse black pepper, which is my favorite, but that's the only thing I have for today. Some liquid smoke, maybe a tablespoonful or more if you want, but I think it's like a tablespoonful that I put in my seasoning mix. I only had a little bit more thyme left, so this is about a half a teaspoon full of thyme. And also I'm adding garlic. I love me some garlic, so I'm gonna put about a tablespoonful in my seasoning mix. And poultry, this is optional, and this is around a half a teaspoon full of poultry, which I love on my fried chicken. It makes a difference, and I'm gonna make a video of that also. And yes, I'm adding my bell pepper and onion mix I chopped up earlier in my seasoning mix. This is gonna be so good. And after that, you're gonna stir everything together, and guys, taste it to see if it's too salty, or if you need any more seasoning salt or whatever blend and herbs you do want to put in there. But this is so good. I cut the back of the chicken open. I cannot cut a chicken worth anything, and I know there are videos out there to see, but you know, it is what it is. But you want to split the back and take your seasoning mix and get all the way up in there. You can let this marinate overnight or for at least 30 minutes. I did not want to because I'm trying to test something up. But other than that, make sure you put your seasoning mix on there and rub everything in the chicken as good as you can, from all in the back and all in the front. I did my back first, so when I flip it, I don't have to re-flip it again back onto his back. Yes, I had seasoning sauce left over, but I'm going to put the correct recipe in the description below. So you can leave your chicken to roast on the parchment paper if you want to. I did not want to. I wanted to put mine on a rack so it could be easier for me to move around. After I put my chicken on the rack, I'm going to turn my oven on. Well, I've been preheated my oven at 380 degrees, and I'm going to let it roast for about 45 minutes. And then I'm going to take it out, baste it with the drippings that fell. Then I'm going to put it back in there for another about 40 minutes. So this is at 45 minutes of roasting. So basically this is another reason why I put my chicken on the rack, so the drippings at the bottom fall and I can baste my chicken with the drippings. So after I finish basting this, I'm going to put it back in the oven for about 40 more minutes. And this is how your chicken should look. This chicken was so good and juicy. Now you can throw extra seasoning on there like lemon pepper or Cajun season or whatever season you want. I just went on ahead and just threw some dry Italian seasoning on there, and we tore this thing up. Thanks for checking my channel out and have a great day.